Hello, everyone. I wanted to make a quick little video here just to go over the instructions for the intro paper part 1 assignment that is due January 30th. So here I'm showing the screen on Canvas where if you click on assignments, you'll see intro paper part 1 listed there. If you click on that, this is what you will see. So for this paper, you will write a 2-page paper responding to the prompt below. The paper should be Times New Roman, 12-point font, double spaced. And make sure to place your name and course title single space in the upper right-hand corner of the first page of your paper. So this is what your paper should look like when you upload it onto Canvas. Now, the prompt states, based on your educational, social, and personal experiences, what have you learned about the history of different racial ethnic groups, such as whites, Latinxes, Native Americans, African Americans, Asian Americans, and Middle Easterners? And these are the groups that we will see discussed in the textbook A Different Mirror throughout the semester. So this is a question. Now, there is no right or wrong answer for this paper. Your response should be based on your own personal experiences. It is not an analytical or a research paper, so you should not refer to any outside sources, and you won't need citations. Again, it's only a 2-page paper, and it's really for you to talk about and reflect on what knowledge you have coming into this course at this point of the semester, so that when you do the part 2 of this paper, which isn't due until the end of the semester, you can come back to this paper and see what your answer was at this point, right? What knowledge did you have at this point? Students often really enjoy this assignment and find this assignment to be their favorite assignment for the semester because they rarely get the opportunity to come back at the end of the semester and reflect on what they were thinking at the beginning of the semester before the course started or as the course started, and really think about how much they've learned or what has changed or what has been affirmed in their thinking as a result of experiencing the course. So again, this is a personal reflection kind of paper. You should be speaking from the I perspective. And in terms of thinking about what some of these experiences might be that you discuss in your paper. So you might say that, you know, you've only learned about these groups through your educational experiences, courses you've taken in the past, or maybe you know what you know about these groups through the media, or because of your own communities that you grew up in, right? Or your own family experience, right? So all of those experiences are perfectly fine to talk about and to use as examples of where the information you have about these different groups came from, okay? Now, if you recall, grading for this paper and for all papers in this class is in this ungraded kind of scale where you'll be graded on the basis of excellent, satisfactory, or unsatisfactory. Here you'll see a description of what those mean. So you have a sense of what an excellent paper should look like, what a satisfactory paper should look like, and so on. Okay, if you have any questions after looking at the instructions for the assignment or watching this video about the paper or unsure what to say, what to do with your particular paper, by all means, make sure to email me with your questions. Again, I'll have office hours on Tuesdays from 10 to 11 via Zoom. You can find the the link to the Zoom in the introduction page on the module for this week. And again, if you can't make that time, you can also email me and we can schedule another time. Okay, so I hope this was helpful. And again, if you still have questions, please reach out to me. Take care.